Now, in order to do your experiments, you often need a range of 5 concentrations or just a weaker concentration. And so what you need to be able to do is quickly and easily work out how much water to add to a concentrate to make it the concentration you want. And so this is how we do it. So first of all, we have the same number of moles before and after. So the only difference is we add water to make it a weaker concentration. So N1 and N2 are the same. And so we can have this formula C1 V1 equals C2 V2. So in this situation, this is before, and this one is after. If you mix these around, it's really not going to matter. So you know what the concentration is before. What you're trying to actually work out is how much of this do I need. And so you're going to have to stipulate what concentration you want and what volume you want. Okay, so you sub in a concentration or a volume and you divide it by this concentration. It'll give you some sort of volume. And then you'll know I'll grab that much of that concentration of C1 and I will make it up to a volume that I have stipulated. So that will be the V2 here. That's the V2, and that will give me the concentration 2 that I want. So that volume there will be V1, which will be quite small, and then you'll just make it up to that V2. I'll just, students get confused about this, so I've just written it in red. So in practice, it tells you how much of the original concentrate to use. This is what we're looking for, okay? And then you take that volume and you make it up to the set volume that you said, and that will give you the set concentration that you said as well. So let's have a look at a question. And so you're given a very concentrated 12 molar, which won't be allowed. I think general safety, probably 3 or less. But anyway, this is just on paper. So 12 molar, and you want to use 0.05 molar, which has gone the other way and probably too weak to get your reactions to work as quickly as you need to in a classroom time limit. And you want a litre of it, so you kind of need that. Okay. So C1 V1 equals C2 V2. So you just need to know, well, if I grab how much of that concentrate do I need to get and dilute to 1 litre to get to that number that I want. And so that's what you're doing. So you put the 12, the V, the 0.05 and the 1 in there, and you'll end up getting 4 centimetres cubed. So that basically means 4 mils of 12 molar. Grab that 4 mils, put it into a volumetric 1 litre or whatever you have. So 1 litre volumetric flask. So grab the 4 mils of that 12 molar. Then grab some water and add it up to a litre. And then you'll have a litre of not 12 molar, but you'll have a litre of 0.05 moles per litre HCl.